Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I wanted to jump on real quick and make a video and show you what I've been working on. Uh, First, I will apologize if you hear any lawnmowers or birds chirping or cows mooing or dogs barking. It's a beautiful day here in southwest Missouri, and the wind's blowing, the sun is shining, it's about 76 degrees, and the humidity is low. We've had so much rain lately that we've had a lot of pretty days, but it's been pretty humid. Today the humidity's low, so I've got all the windows and doors wide open and just enjoying every minute of it. So if you hear any background noise, I apologize. This is a journal I made using digital papers from DearJulieJulie. These papers were given as a gift for completing Dear Julie Julie's Spring Stash Buster Junk Journal Challenge. And I've had a lot of fun working on them. I made my first altered book. And as you can see, this book has a pretty thin spine. So I made the altered book using the CraftyIrina method, going in and tearing most of the pages actually out. But because it was a short book and it has a very thin spine, I ended up with only 6 full pocket pages. And I made a little deal to keep it closed. This is just a hair tie that I've got wrapped around it, that I've got attached on the other side. This I used a brad, and actually underneath, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, I've got the brad attached to an eyelet. And I learned that, I believe, it was either from Roxy Creations, but I believe it was Tracy Fox that I learned this from. Anyway, so the papers I've used in here, I've used, the only digital kit I used was Dear Julie Julie's Pansy kit. And I did use a few images from Pixabay just to add to. And I did some of my own, used some of my old papers for collaging. And anyway, so this is what I've done. This lace right here is covering the brad. I glued the prongs of the brad down, and I used a long brad with 2-inch prongs just to give it more sturdiness and stability. And I made the mistake of gluing my inside papers down before I put the brad through. So just a little lace to cover that. Here I made a little corner tuck with a tag. Here's a writing page. And this is just a decorated page for writing and a paper clip using the butterfly from the digital kit. And then we've got this page, the nice big journaling card. And here, this is one of the Pixabay images that I used. And then this nice big journaling card. And then here, this is another Pixabay image. And then this little tag. I think that's the only one. I made little tags. And then over here, I made a double pocket. So in here, we've got another journaling card. And here another, this is a Tim Holtz butterfly that I added onto that. And here I did a little corner pocket type thing. I was having fun. It's not straight, but I was having fun playing with different stitches on my sewing machine. Another Tim Holtz butterfly. Dear Julie Julie papers, that's a Pixabay image. Journaling card in here, Dear Julie Julie images, and one of my little tags. This is a piece of the paper from Dear Julie Julie's kit. Another Pixabay image with Dear Julie Julie's kit and one of my tags. This page is Pixabay image. And then because I wasn't going to be able to, Julie's kit has all sorts of little images to use for tags and ephemera. And because I wasn't going to add a whole lot to this, I used it, sort of left it on a sheet and just stitched between the images for this one and for this one. Here I made a double corner tuck, and that's from the Dear Julie Julie images. So that one. And then we get to the back, and I made some more writing space, another paper clip using Dear Julie Julie's image. This sheet is from the digital kit. Oops. And this is the very first altered book that I have made, and I actually really enjoyed doing it. I most likely will do more of these and try different things with them. I made, because there were so few pages, I went ahead and made pockets out of all of them, but I could have glued 2 pages together and then just decorated it and made other types of pockets, so it would have more different things in it. But I really enjoyed this for my first try, and I want to thank Dear Julie Julie for her beautiful pansy images. I had a lot of fun working with these. And anyway, that's all I've got for now. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, and if you would, subscribe. And I will talk to you soon. Enjoy your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.